Hey there, it's Jen with Sentimental Wood Art. I've got another new project that I'm really excited about. A friend from work last year messaged me and wondered if I could do a Sankofa bird or a Sankofa heart. Now, I had not done anything like this before, and so I started to research it. Thank you, Cynthia, by the way. It was really profound, and I really enjoyed creating this. So what I found out is that a Sankofa bird is expressed as a mythical bird that flies forward while looking back with an egg in its mouth. This represents the motto, "In order to understand our present and ensure our future, we must know our past." Man, talk about profound. That is just, I really enjoyed learning about that. And so what I did was designed this, and then I'm going to do it on some African mahogany and some Baltic birch with a nice Danish oil, and prop it up a little bit so it stands off of the base and it goes on the wall. So come along with me on my journey. Oil and 3 coats of poly on this. So the next step is going to be to put this together. So I'm going to take some dowels and situate them. I think you saw the video, the clip where I was marking these. I don't know that you can see. You gotta hide them enough inside here that you can't see them when you put that on there. But you want enough that it lifts it off of the board. So I'm going to take a few minutes, probably 10, and arrange how I want these laid out and see what works. Get to gluing.